Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and you're watching Vector Art. So in today's video, we will take a look at 15 powerful websites for creative professionals. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first one would be logo diffusion. So logo diffusion will help you create beautiful logos from simple text prompts in seconds with generative AI. You can write a logo prompt and watch as the AI creates original designs within seconds. So this is the landing page of logo diffusion, and here you can see we have several options: text to image, image to image, image upscaler, background remover, and so on. And here you can see we can click on image to image get workspace, and it'll ask you to log in first. You can log in with your Google account or your credentials. So here you can see we have an option to either upload an image or open the editor, which is over here, and here you can enter a prompt, and then you have options of whether what style you want to use for your design, whether you want a pictorial, mascot, badge, cartoonish design, or so on, whether you want a 2D art or 3D art, realistic, and lot more options. And once you type in your text, you can generate. Of course, this website is paid, so you will have to have free credits or you will have to upgrade to try out this tool. Next up, we have dora.run. So dora.run is one more AI powered tool that will generate and customize and deploy websites with AI, all within Dora's powerful no code editor. You can build sites beyond your imagination in just one prompt using generative AI. So let's start with creating one new project. And this website is also paid, so you'll have to have here also some free credits, or you'll have to buy the paid version, but you can always try the free version. So you can click on this icon over here, and then you can we'll just take the same uh, prompt here: a landing page for a soft and cozy looking armchair next to a warm fireplace, creating a cozy atmosphere. And then you can click on generate four previews, and the AI will work its magic and it will show you four previews. So here you can see we have four previews. We can click on generate and decide uh, on one. So there you go. We have our page ready, and let me zoom in a bit. And here you can see, let me change to 50%. And here you can see we have our beautiful looking uh, landing page ready, which is ready for deployment. So that is how you generate websites on Dora. Next up, we have UI Ball. So UI Ball is a free open source loading animations for developers. It helps you create these free loading animations. If you click on LDRS, here you can see we have these sort of loading animations. If you scroll down, you will see the free loaders that are available. And here you can see these icons. You can change the theme over here for better visibility, and if you are, suppose you are interested in one of the loading icons over here, you can click on them, and then you can customize the size, color, speed, stroke. For example, I can increase the size, I can increase the speed, and also the stroke, and also the color. And once you do all these desired changes, you can click on the source over here and copy this source and use it in the in your website. So next up, we have UI verse. So let me close these. So the UIverse is a library for free and customizable UI elements made with CSS and or Tailwind. It is an open source and it is all free. So here you can see we have so many sorts of buttons over here. But here if you see under the elements, you have all these elements available for use. So let me click on the buttons over here, and you can see all these open source buttons which are made with css or tailwind. So if you are interested in one of the button, you can click on this, and then you can click on the get code, and you will see the html and the css for the button. So next up, we have Pop.ai. So Pop.ai masterfully generates images and commands, provides access to image prompts and generation of codes, and offers image-based work homework help. So here you can see we have this dashboard where you can chat PDF. Then we have AI presentation and AI writer. Chat PDF is basically where if you can upload your documents over here, and then you can ask ChatGPT questions on that document, and it will help you understand or give you a summary on that document. Then we have AI presentation. This is prompt based AI presentation. So if I click on create a new presentation over here and tell this tool to create a presentation on what to call open AI maybe, and you can click on options over here if you want to change the language. And then here you have standard or GPT-4. So I'll stick to standard. You can say how many pages you want, what is the word amount, what is the audience, and slide form, whether it is analytical reports, education slides, and so on. And then just click on generate, and the AI will do its magic. So again, this is not a free application. So you will have to subscribe to it. But for now, this is one of the slide that I created while I had some of the credits. So here you can see it had created all these beautiful slides uh, over here, and let me guide you through it. So here is the outline that it generated first for the prompt that I gave, and then these are the pages that it produced. So here you can see there are nice presentations with images and nice graphical elements. So this is about Pop AI. Next one is OpenPeeps. So OpenPeeps is a hand-drawn illustration library where you can see create scenes of people. Basically, you can get hand-drawn images and illustrations. For this to work, you will have to click on Use with Blush, and here you can see we have all the characters or avatars with backdrop, sitting, standing, and so on. So let's select one of them. Let me select sitting over here, and then you can edit it. And the editor is quite simple. You can select the skin tone. You can select from the various sitting positions over here, and then you can select the head, face, and so on. I think you get what I mean over here. You can also add accessories and so on, and finally you can download it in png and svg formats. So that was all for OpenPeeps. Next up is Gamma. So Gamma is a new medium for presenting ideas powered by AI. It is useful for creating beautiful presentation, document, and website. So here on the home screen, you see three options over here. You can paste in text or create notes and outlines or from existing content. You can generate. create from one line prompt in a few seconds and import file or URL, basically upload documents. So let's go with generate over here, and you can describe what you want, whether you want a presentation, website, or a document. Select presentation over here, and let me select from the prompts available over here. So the future of space exploration maybe, and click on generate outline. So this is the outline where it talks about the various topics. You can either delete a card or add cards. Once you can also change some of the settings, amount of text per card, then image source, image style, and the image model. So I'll click on continue over here, and this is the preview that you have. And there you go, just like that, Gamma is generating the slides based on the topic that I had selected or prompted. So just like that, you can see it created this beautiful presentation with so many slides on the topic, and you can see how gorgeous and beautiful looking these slides are. And I'm in awe, and I love this specific tool from which uses AI to create such beautiful presentations. So moving on, let's talk about Krea. So Krea is a AI, again an AI tool that will help you to create, generate, and enhance images and videos using AI for free. So you have real-time AI, instant AI generation. You have enhancer for upscaling images and videos, and you have AI video generation. I will not touch these two topics over here because it will take a lot of time, but we can try out. Generate images, and you will see that it creates beautiful images based on prompts. So here you can see I have prompted a landscape in Alps, and then I can use this paintbrush to draw on this image over here, and then you can see it instantly generates images or alters the images based on the data that I provide over here. So this is Krea.ai. Next up we have in video. So in video turns ideas into videos. That is the shortest version, and it is an AI video creator which will make videos easily by giving you an option to prompt the idea that you are envisioning. So if I say a cat dancing with a dog, let's see what it generates. So there you go. It has created this nice video where you can see a cat dancing with a dog. It has taken several stock videos from various sources and created or compiled a video which is social media ready. So there are several use cases of this, and it is a fun way to create simple videos with AI. So next up, we have Claid.ai. So this is basically for creating AI product photography, and it is a photography suite for products, and try for free. So this is the landing page, and here you can see we can choose some of the products here. So I'll just select this one, and then you can enhance or upscale this product. You can resize or extend, correct colors, remove background. You can add shadows, you can generate from a template. So let me select a template over here, and then you can place this portal in these nice looking templates over here. And then you can say creativity high, and then you can click on generate, and this will process this image that you have, and it will add a nice backdrop to this product. So next up, we have Chat GPT Excel or GPT Excel. This is an AI powered Excel formula generator. So apart from Excel formulas, it can generate VBA scripts, it can generate SQL scripts, it can help you create regular expressions and so on. So let's go to formulas, and you can take this. Formula. You can type a prompt over here. So let me type a prompt. Let's say remove letters from a string of characters, and let me click on generate. And right off the bat, you can see here in the results, it has given me this formula, which I can copy and paste in Excel and get rid of the letters in the string of characters. It also explains what this formula does, what are the keywords, and what are the parameters in this formula. So that is GPT Excel for you. Next one, we have Jitter. So Jitter is a fast and simple motion design tool. It is for to create professional animated content, and we can use this to design on-brand animation UI, videos, social media posts, website, apps, and logos, and so on. So we can click on browse our templates. You can also create something from scratch, or you can use Figma templates. So here you can see we have animated search bars, simple notifications, progress bars, social media handles. And here you can see, here is one of the example. Here you have the timeline where the animation runs, and if I click play, you can see we have the animation. Then you can go over here and export to the desired format. So that was Jitter. Next up, we have Pigment by Shape Factory, and this is a simple color palette generator, a unique way to generate fresh and vibrant colors based on lightning and pigment. So if you see here, we have two options over here. You can either change the lighting and the pigment, and based on your desired color palette, you can click on one of them, and then you can choose mix and match, and then finally export these colors or the hex codes and use it in your website or applications. So these are all the powerful websites for creative professionals. Hope you all like watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and do subscribe to my channel. And all the links to these websites, you can find it in my video description. So please do check it out. Till then, bye bye.